How's it going, guys? Welcome to a Davinci Resolve editing tutorial. Today I'm going to talk just a little bit about how you can improve at editing, because editing is a very hard skill, and obviously you know that if you're watching this video. And it's not exactly a lot I can say to specifically help you improve, because it's different for everyone. What the type of things you want to edit, and the types of ways you want to edit, and so I can't, and the types of things that you are editing, so I can't exactly give a clear definition for everybody. But just generally, I do know a few things after about a couple months of using Davinci and, editing montages. I make Valorant montages. I'm going to show you what about 3 months of progress looks like. This is one of my first Valorant montages. I'm going to show you my most recent one, and you can see the comparison of about 3 months of improving. Then after that, I'm going to tell you a few things that will actually help you improve. I'm not going to play the whole thing because it is a bit long, but just to get a frame of reference. So that's the first one. I'm not going to play the whole thing like I said, but you can obviously already see it's very choppy. The brightness and saturation is, not exactly amazing. All the transitions and stuff could be a bit smoother, but I'm going to show you now my most recent. This is about 3 months later. This was about a month ago I made this one. So that's about 3 months-ish of progress. I have gotten better since I made this one, because it was a bit odd, but I haven't done a whole lot of editing recently, so. But basically, a couple of things that really help is just actually editing and spending time doing it. It sounds stupid because, you want the easy way to just, figure out how to get good, but really, it does take time. You actually have to put in a lot of time and a lot of effort into it. And eventually, you will improve. There won't be an exact moment when it happens, but it will be a gradual, over time type of thing. But you also kind of have to have a clear idea in your head of what is good, if that makes sense. Like, good is kind of just an abstract thing we think of. But if you want to actually make something that's high quality, you have to see what high quality is, like see what other people are making, and kind of compare yourself to it, and try to do things that they are doing, but obviously in your own way. Don't just do what other people are doing. But yeah, do take from what they're doing and learn from what they're doing and why they're doing it. And take things that you do that look good, use them again. Don't just find something that's good and then never use it again. And if you do find something that's bad, also make sure you identify that it is bad and don't do it again. Like, for example, the way I made this video bounce in and out on every beat, that gives you a massive headache, especially since it's so bright and loud. I figured out pretty quickly that is bad, and I haven't done it since. And yeah, also just try new things. Don't keep repeating the same thing over and over again. Even if you do find a lot of really good things and you find kind of a rhythm, you can never improve if you've already found the best things. So try to find more things and do them good. Don't just find the things you're already good at and keep doing them good. Find new things that you're bad at, like new transitions, new effects, and try to get good at them. Do not have shame in looking up guides. I'm going to be completely honest with you. When I started editing in Davinci, I knew nothing. I literally just looked up a shit ton of tutorials and just literally did exactly what they did. And then once I was comfortable doing the things that they did, I kind of built off of it. That's kind of the thing about getting good at editing, is building off of what you already know and what you're already good at. So the knowledge you get from one project that turns out to be really, really good, use that knowledge and kind of make that your standard and build off of that new standard, and then you will literally grow exponentially if you keep doing that. But yeah, like I said, there's not a whole lot I can exactly say to pertain to you specifically, but that is my best advice generally for improving at editing and honestly pretty much anything in life. It does take a lot of time, but you know, in 3 months you can go from this to this. And with that being said, make sure you guys do drop a like and subscribe, and peace out.